Hey guys, ever tried presenting data only to watch your audience's eyes glaze over? Static, lifeless charts often fail to capture attention or tell the story behind the data. Whether you're a teacher, marketer, or analyst, you know the struggle of making data meaningful and engaging. When simple graphs can't convey the full picture, it's easy to feel like your message gets lost. Imagine if you could bring your data to life, transforming rows and columns into interactive stories that captivate your viewers. The goal is to give everyone, no matter their skill level, the power to make data presentations that aren't just informative but unforgettable. That's where Flourish Studio shines. This innovative tool takes data visualization to a whole new level, giving you a range of templates to create everything from animated graphs to interactive maps. With Flourish, you don't need any design experience. Just upload your data, pick a template, and customize it to fit your brand's look. Without further ado, let's dive into Explore Flourish Studio.
Welcome to Tech Root Solutions.
Go to Google and search for Flourish.studio, then click on the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Flourish.studio. It gives us very beautiful and easy data visualization and storytelling. Flourish Studio easily turns your data into stunning charts, maps, and interactive stories. Engage your audience by creating agency-quality data graphics and animated stories that bring your data to life. Empower the whole team. Flourish.studio is easy enough for everyone to use. Start with a template and drop in your data. Embed, share, and present. Create seamless embeds, magical presentations, or engaging content for social media. Your brand, your style. You can get custom themes so everything has your logo, fonts, colors, and style. Every day, thousands of organizations and companies use Flourish.studio to communicate with millions of viewers. You can use Flourish.studio for your business to transform the way your business explores and presents data to internal and external audiences. You can use it for agencies to create interactive visuals that your clients can use, edit, publish, and refresh with new data. You can also empower journalists and developers by applying for a special newsroom plan. Now go to the top and click on Get Started Now. You can sign up with Google or email. I will sign up with my Google account. Now you'll see options for new visualization and new story. You can also search for your previous projects. Click on New Visualization. You need to choose your template according to your needs. You can also search for templates. There are different types of 3D animated area charts, bar charts, and many other graphs. Here you can also select the purpose of your graph, annotations, change over time, comparison, and more. There are line, bar, and pie charts, projection maps, scatter plots, 3D maps, and more. From the templates, I'll select the bar chart race. The given graphs are sample data. You can change the title of your visualization. Here I'll type top 10 countries. You can preview using the available width, preview in a new window, preview typical tablet width, or preview at a custom size. Now click on Data. The given data is just an example. Now click on Upload Data and select the data you want to visualize. Then click on Open to import it. After importing, click on Import. Here, 11 rows were uploaded. Click on Continue. Now you can see the data we uploaded. The top 10 countries from 2010 to 2024. Click on Preview to see the race graph on the canvas. The data is shown on the left side, and there are many settings to adjust according to your needs. For the chart style, you can choose horizontal or vertical. By default, it's horizontal, but I'll change it to vertical. You can also change the color of your graphs. There are different types of colors available. It's up to you which one you select. There are many settings for labels, counters, totalizers, time captions, header, footer, and more. I will click on Counter and Totalizer, where you can change the size and color of the totalizer according to your needs. Adjust the size and color to suit your graph. Now click on Header to add a title to your graph. You can also add a subtitle. For the title, I'll write Top 10 Countries. This will be visible at the top of the graph. You can adjust the alignment. I will align it as center. For the subtitle, I'll write from 2010 to 2024. You can also add a border to the title. which we can see has been added to the graph. You can also add a footer with the source name. I'll write Tech Root Solutions, which will be visible at the bottom of the graph. You can also add a source URL. Now, I want to add flags to our bar graph to make it more interesting. Click on Data, and at the end of the data, you need to add a new column on the right side. I'll call it Flags. The country flag shortcodes are provided in the description. You can find all the country flag shortcodes here. I'll copy the US flag country code and paste it into the flags column. Then click on Preview to see the result. Wow, it looks amazing. Now go to Data and add flags for each country as we did previously. Once you've added all the country flags shortcodes, click on Preview. The final result with the flags added looks much more interesting and attractive. Now click on Export and Publish on the right side. Here you can download your visualization as an HTML file or an image. It's up to you. I'll select Download as Image. You can change the format and size of your image and then click Download. The image will be downloaded and you can use it anywhere you need. You can also download it as a video. For that, click on Export and Publish, then select Add to Canva Presentation. After that, click on Add to Canva. It will take some time to process. You can choose to use it in an existing design or create a new design. I'll select Use as New Design. From the suggestions, I'll choose Video. It's up to you what you select. On the right side, you can see the graph of top 10 countries. I'll drag it to the canvas, adjust the size according to my needs, and click on Preview. It looks cool and amazing. You can use this anywhere you want. Try Flourish.studio for yourself and let me know in the comments how you've used this fantastic tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on AI tools and trends.